You want to style going away from the face using your fingers. Because what happens when you first put the product on your hands, you want to get it on this front bit here, because it stands up. The mistake that most people do is they stand behind and then they put what's on their hands around here. So what happens is that this stays heavy and this just kind of flops down.
Okay. Yeah.
What I tend to do is get the product in and then use my hands as a comb and I push it around. What I want to do is get a little bit of product, put it in your palm, and then when you're rubbing it in, what you want to try to achieve when you're putting it in is that you can't see it in your hands.
Yeah.
If you can see the product in your hands, then you're in danger of putting clumps in the hair. So I'm going to use my hands as a tool to brush away into the hair.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I do step to the back and again use my fingers as a tool to brush the hair through. And again, making sure that you've got enough on the roots.
Yeah.
All right, want to give it a go? Wash your way, that's it, that's perfect. Work it through your fingers, that's it. Beautiful. Work it through. Lovely. I'm glad you got this comb. You lift it up, go in, lift it, push that forward, and sit it back. Let's get a bit of hairspray. Just close your eyes, please, sir. Cool. You can even pick up the comb here and get it underneath like that so you can get a bit of hold. Done a great job. Spot on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.